So for June gymnastic strength meat hook QDR, just doing a regular meat hook using just one ring. You're going to fold yourself over with that pipe, reach over. So you're just trying to get that nice stretch and gradually increase the load. So you want to feel that position. So you're just doing 15 seconds aside. So you might not lift off, just trying to feel those tissues there, getting that nice stretch and strengthening. And really trying to get that nice straight hang across the body. Don't rush the process on it, it's pretty heavy. Then we've got the QDR. This month for June we're just doing the tuck on the side. So you just want to really get that nice position of the inner arm onto the rib cage and stabilize the rib cage. So when you come down, just going to go into that deep squat, lower down, get that nice 90-degree position there, turn the knee to the side, lower and tuck. And come out, lunge, push, 15 seconds aside on that one. Does take time. If your head touches, that's cool. If you keep the feet on the ground, that's cool. Just gradually get used to having that pressure there. A really good drill for it is just using a wall or hole like that, a wall, to feel how to load up that rib cage. Really important too on this workout is a breathing rest in between. So 30 seconds on, 30-second rest, 30-second on, 30-second rest. In those breathing breaks, you want to really reset the rib cage. There's a lot of pressure on the rib cage on the meat hook and the QDR, so you want to make sure that you don't strain any of those intercostal muscles, and you gradually get stronger through that core so you can tolerate more force going through there, and then work towards all those one-arm balances on that arm. Good stuff. 4 sets, guys. Get it done.